Hello, Bangalore is hub to ISRO and everything around it. One word to describe this place: unbelievable.
Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative by the Government of India to celebrate 75 years of progressive India. Following the initiative, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh virtually inaugurated week-long activities related to Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav that included HAL-focused events on 13 December. HAL is showcasing its 80 years of heritage, current and futuristic products during the week. HAL produced aircraft, helicopters, aero engines, avionics systems, components and LRUs are on display at different exhibitions. The exhibition sites at Bengaluru, Nasik, Kanpur, Hyderabad, Koratpur and Lucknow are open to public with no entry fee till December 19th from 9 am to 5 pm. Public entry to these exhibitions will be with valid ID cards following COVID protocols.
Yeah, so I was really excited to come to HAL because I'm in the process of applying to study aerospace aircraft systems. So this is just a view into the world that I'm about to enter professionally. So this is a very exciting place to be. And with India considering that all of this aircraft and stuff is considered under defense, it's a little difficult to get to know the details of everything. But it's really amazing that HAL has put out this whole museum for everybody to come and see what India has got. And what India has got is incredible apart from what I have seen right now. So we got to see the bombers, the trainer jets, the helicopters, and it's really exciting to see how far we've come. It's a great experience to be here. It's just gonna make you more proud of your own country. So.
You get to know so much about just how the defense is, the planes, the jets, and everything, the helicopter. It's amazing to see them all like in life-size models. We've already seen like pictures of it, but we have not seen in real life how it would look. Seeing all the mechanisms and how they are, the turbines, the engines, it's like amazing. It's really exciting to just know. I'm more curious about it than ever. Definitely come and check this place out because it is amazing. It is so cool to get to know this, and I would 100% recommend coming here.